Oh, you're watching me on Facebook. We offer an alternative to dating in this community. And we're here with our chili cook-off today. The name of our chili is Chili Chili Bang Bang.
Chili, chili.
And it's not hot.
Director for BNI Eastern Oklahoma, and my chili is called Network of Flavors. So, oh sure.
Anything special about it?
It's a man's chili.
Canoe Brick in Catoosa, and our chili is a white chili. It's sweet. It's very good. Huh? Yeah. I'm in Cole Bank Select Real Estate. I had, would you like something, man? Terrible at serving here.
Is this mild?
This, you know what's so funny is I made this and I tried to eat it because I don't eat meat, so you have to tell me if it's mild.
Okay.
Taste
it and tell me what you think.
Yeah, let's, and don't say anything.
Turkey chili is so good. I came back for seconds. And her little rolls, are they biscuits or rolls?
They're rolls.
The rolls are to die for. And if you dip the rolls down in the turkey chili, it's so good.
See what's best. It's what we have on our menu. It's our authentic ranch house chili. The one unique thing about it is there's actually no beans in our chili.
This is the absolute best. It's called the Jersey Special.
Jersey special.
And because we're from Jersey, you don't want to forget about it.
It's the best chili in the room.
You want to peek inside?
Extremely old. This is our spicy style. It's got a little bit of habanero in it. I also put some pinto style beans in there. A little bit of texture to it.
Think you gonna win?
I hope so. I like it.
Anything from from my mother's recipe and mine. I always thought she made the greatest chili. She always did it on Christmas Eve. That was a big hit for us. And she also made oyster stew, which I much prefer the chili. But anyway, I enjoyed using her recipe and added a little bit of my twist to it. And it's a real mild. It has lots of green peppers and onions. And I use buffalo, ground turkey, and lean ground beef in mine.
What's the name of it?
Mama and Mia.
The name of it? Grandma's chili?
Grandma's chili.
Oh, good like this.
Okay, we're from Bank of America, so the name of our chili is BOA chili.
You got a brandy special?
What special?
Brandy?
Brandy, yes. A pepper special.
What does it taste like?
Good.
Does it? Chili fun? Yes. You already know something about chili then, huh?
Yes.
We have to. It's really good.
Can I see it?
Yes, you can. It's right here. Just going to mix it up for you a little bit. As you can see, we don't have any beans. You know, we want all the flavor to come from the beans and the spices that we put in.
Restoration and Cleaning Specialist Incorporated.
What do you think about this chili?
It's awesome. I love it. It's fun. I don't know about that, but we'll see.
Thanks for supporting the United Way and it is we appreciate. All right, sixth place. Traffic on Canoe Brook. Embroidered me.
3 rounds of golf at the country club.
We have
I hope your husband wants to play golf. Again, I want to pitch Meadowbrook Country Club. They had given us 2 free rounds of golf.
we have Ruby Tuesday. Modern. And in first place we have.
Appreciate your participation.
See what chili contests do? They bring people together.